Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Ryan, a chiropractor in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I wanted to talk to you and tell you what that pop is when you get a chiropractic adjustment. And when you're getting adjustment, sometimes you hear a noise. Uh, Chiropractors call it a cavitation. You probably call it a pop. Hey, would you pop my back? We call it a manipulation. But we're talking about what that noise is that you hear. And what that noise is that there's fluids that surround your joints. And when you adjust them, CO2 escapes and it makes that little popping sound. And it's not really a bone that you're hearing. You're really hearing that gas escape from the fluids. Now, sometimes when you're adjusting a knee or an ankle or that, you can actually hear the bones move. But up in your spine, that pop you hear is called a cavitation, and it's the CO2 escaping from the fluids. So I just thought you might want to know. Thanks so much.